All right, guys. Um, I'm in Slidell, Louisiana. This is called Turtle Creek. It didn't look like this in 21. When we started working on this, we were hired by St. Tammany Parish. They had been spraying it for several years, and it had water hyacinth, primrose, alligator weed, and it was 4 feet tall. It looked like it was on steroids. We pulled all of that out in 4 days. We had 84 full-size dump truck loads of material that we pulled out of here. Now, the reason I'm back here, I'm visiting clients, but I just had to come see my old friend and look at this. I mean, she is beautiful. And this is what we do. This is what I want to share. Look at this pond. I've got some video of this project. You're not going to believe it. I mean, I'm ready to get a fishing pole, go wet a line. So we're grateful for the opportunity. Just wanted to share. This is what we do.